Hello and welcome to One and All Present. My name is Lakshay and I'm an intern at LEXIS and Co. The topic for the day is how COVID-19 impacted the legal system. COVID-19 has changed everything we know forever. It has touched every aspect of our life, let it be economic, social order, or legal. We live in the same world but with a completely new outlook on how things are now. Living in the 21st century is already like living in an ever-changing environment, and with the introduction of a pandemic, we have seen far more changes. With that being said, legal profession is one of the many professions which has to adapt with the changing environment to be at par. Lawyers of today have to experience a transformation in the practice and management of their law firm, and with that introduction of pandemic, there was more emphasis on how a lawyer should cater for his clients and his business. That's not all, but there is a limit to be. There's a lot more to be covered, and the same will be done in today's article. With COVID-19 came in, it was essential for every individual to comply with them, or they can be charged seriously with hefty fines. According to many reports, legal professionals have been significantly affected by social restrictions, and this has caused reduced client demand. Many legal professionals have also reported drastic change in their legal practice, ranging from managing the clients to having available workforce. The current problems being faced cause a great threat to the very existence of law firms as it puts a hold on their practice. And waiting for things to get back to pre-COVID time seems like impossible with every forthcoming day. One of the consequences of the current predicament is the emergence of new claims coming from the disagreements over the virus pairing. In this slide, the new claims may be applicable in particular practice areas and legal sectors. It may be possible for lawyers to start a new company based on the claims that arise as a result of the situation. The current situation indicates the growing need for justice, and lawyers should make it a policy to help their clients resolve coronavirus cases. Law firms will be high demand to assist businesses in resolving new problems brought on by COVID-19, such as breach of fiduciary obligations, breach of shareholders or partnership agreements, breach of contracts, dispute involving creditors and debtors, among other things. Lawyers are expected to assist business in legally defending their companies. There has also been an increase in the claims of domestic violence as there is closure of courts and victims do not have access to legal professions. The rise of domestic violence against women in context of COVID-19 is on the rise. Several insurance providers include clauses to cover the revenue and remuneration of lawyers in the event of business interruption. However, it is essential to consult the insurance policy provider to determine if it could result in the coverage. Based on the kind of coverage, it could very well result in the coverage for the income losses of a law firm. Finally, the coronavirus COVID-19 outbreak is posing a threat to the several enterprises and industries. It is critical for lawyers to anticipate, manage, and adopt new measures to ensure that their strategy is appropriate. Based on the current scenario, the legal professions need to establish a fresh perspective as a result of this crisis. Legal professionals must take proper precaution to mitigate the negative consequences of their enterprises. It requires lawyers to take steps to preserve their business and to provide their clients with flexible, relevant, and expensive legal services. Thank you.